Good morning, guys. This is Frankie. Thanks for tuning in. We are on our way to Fort Worth to meet up with DFS, Downforce Solutions, today. So we got DFW CCC heading out there. We're going to do a little pre-meet at Buc-ee's over there by Texas Motor Speedway. And so I'm on my way out there already. And I'm quite excited because we're about to get a wicker bill done for the Hellcat. I had already had one on my Scat Pack, and I got rid of the Scat Pack, and now I'm in a Hellcat. So I'm getting a wicker bill, but I'm also getting something else, which probably won't be installed today, but it's from Downforce Solutions. You'll have to stay tuned to another video for that one. But we are on our way to Fort Worth, and we're gonna meet up with Downforce Solutions to get that wicker bill installed. A lot of club members are gonna be out there, so we're gonna have a good time hanging out, enjoying some good company. So you guys stay tuned. Stay with it, and man, let me see if I can do a little quick pull for you guys. Let's see here. Man, so I'm quite excited about getting this wicker bill done, man. I've been waiting for about, I would say, probably about 8 months now, and yeah, it just doesn't look right. The car does not look right without the wicker bill, man. It's one of those must-have add-ons to your car. Yeah, I also added on last night. I had already received it, but I added the rock guards for the wheels so they don't kick up the rocks. So I got those installed yesterday, and you'll see those on the video. And also went and changed out my black Ferradas to the bronze Ferradas, only because my tires were getting a little bald in the back already. So I needed to get the bronze Ferradas on because I had some pretty freshly new tire Nittos on there, some 555s. So I got those on, and then I also had a bit of technology catch can that I needed to install as well. So I got the dual setup catch can. I had the front right passenger side, and also got the one for the left driver's side as well that goes right here near the firewall. So I didn't get that one installed yet. I just got the normal one that everybody normally gets. So I'll have to get the other one done pretty soon. And the reason I didn't install that one is because I have a red eye intake that I want to install in my car, and I've run into a little issue with that. So I'm gonna have to figure out whether I'm gonna be able to even use the red eye intake, just because of how the PCV valve, the return line feeds back into towards the throttle body, and then the sensor, the connections are not the same. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna get that either whether it's gonna work or not. So I'm gonna be probably doing that sometime this week. And so yeah, so let me do a quick pull for you guys. Let's see. Hopefully I don't see a cop here. It's amazing, man. This thing always puts a smile on my face when I drive it, or when I get to driving it. But just like that, man, you can get up in speed really quick. Man, that thing's amazing. Y'all hear that? Woo wee! I love it, and I can't wait to get some more stuff done to this car and get it up there in horsepower. I'm excited, and I want you guys to enjoy the journey with me, and hopefully I can bring enough content to you guys that you guys can enjoy the same thing. So yeah, let's get you over to Buc-ee's. That's where we're meeting up here by Texas Motor Speedway, and then we'll head over to meet up with DFS. Talk to you guys in a little bit. You can't even see where you're going. I think these Vipers are cool, man. I don't like those wheels though, man. They're Hey guys, you can see we're here in Fort Worth here. DFS is setting up their tent, setting up here to do their installs for the WICKERBILL. I don't think they're going to be doing splitters today, but we'll check it out here and see what's going on with all these people. We got plenty of Mopars out here getting their WICKERBILL done. All right, guys. You're good, man. Hey Anthony, how you doing, bro? You doing good? You ready? You excited? 6 months. 6 months? We've been waiting for 6 months. We gotta get set up. Yeah, he's gonna be I'm gonna record it. Okay.
So that's on Sunday, 14th and 15th.
All right. All right. Sounds good.
I'm used to working around people, man.